In the realm of financial management software, two names frequently surface: QuickBooks and Sage Intacct. For those navigating the complexities of business finance, especially within the project management sphere where budgets and resource allocation are critical, understanding the nuances between these platforms is essential. The seemingly simple question, is Sage Intacct similar to QuickBooks? Actually unveils a deeper discussion about scalability, complexity, and the evolving needs of a growing business. At first glance, both QuickBooks and Sage Intacct serve the fundamental purpose of helping businesses manage their finances. They both offer core accounting features like invoicing, expense tracking, financial reporting, and bank reconciliation. This shared foundation might lead one to believe they are largely similar, perhaps with Sage Intacct being just a more expensive or feature-rich version of QuickBooks. However, as we delve deeper, the distinctions become significantly clearer, revealing that while they operate in the same domain, they cater to businesses at different stages of growth and with varying levels of complexity. Think of it like this: both a bicycle and a car are modes of transportation. Both can get you from point A to point B. However, they are designed for different distances, different loads, and different levels of infrastructure. Similarly, QuickBooks often serves as the reliable bicycle for startups and small businesses with relatively straightforward accounting needs. It's user-friendly, affordable, and handles the basic financial tasks efficiently. Sage Intacct, on the other hand, is more akin to a robust car or even a truck. It's built for businesses with more intricate financial structures, higher transaction volumes, and the need for sophisticated reporting and analysis. These are often mid-sized to large organizations, including those heavily involved in project management with requirements for multi-entity accounting, project costing, and advanced revenue recognition. One of the most significant differentiators lies in scalability and complexity. QuickBooks is generally designed for small businesses. While QuickBooks Online offers different tiers that can accommodate some growth, it can become cumbersome and limiting as a business expands significantly, especially when dealing with multiple entities or complex revenue streams. Sage Intacct, built as a true cloud-based financial management system, is designed to scale with a growing business. It can handle multiple legal entities, intercompany transactions, and complex organizational structures with ease. For project-based businesses that might have different departments or project teams operating somewhat independently, this multi-entity capability is a game changer. Another key difference lies in reporting and analytics. QuickBooks offers standard financial reports that are often sufficient for basic business oversight. However, as businesses grow and require deeper insights into their financial performance, especially on a project-by-project basis, QuickBooks reporting limitations become apparent. Sage Intacct shines in its robust and customizable reporting capabilities. It often features multidimensional reporting, allowing users to analyze data across various dimensions like department, project, customer, and more. This level of detail is crucial for effective project management, enabling project managers and financial teams to track profitability, costs, and resource utilization with precision. Automation is another area where Sage Intacct typically offers more advanced features compared to QuickBooks. While QuickBooks has some automation capabilities like recurring invoices, Sage Intacct often includes more sophisticated workflow automation, particularly in areas like accounts payable, accounts receivable, and the financial close process. For project-heavy organizations dealing with numerous invoices and payments, these automation features can significantly improve efficiency and reduce manual errors. Furthermore, integration capabilities often differ. While QuickBooks integrates with many third-party applications, Sage Intacct is known for its more robust and seamless integrations with other business systems, including CRM, customer relationship management, platforms like Salesforce, and various ERP, enterprise resource planning, solutions. For project management, seamless integration with project management software can provide a unified view of project financials and operational data.